Marley Forge, show you right sharpish what we're on with today. We're on with some spikey finial things for a big set of gates for next week. What we do, gas mark pretty warm, it's warming up in here. Straight into rollers, we're going to roll them 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think to a nice little bit of a spike there. I'm going to take them onto this machine over here. Just take them past. And then squeeze that up. There. Just going to knock that end in. So they're a bit of a wave like that. Not going to quench them because they're cutting these up. Got over here, it's 12mm round bar, they've been fishtailed to an edge and then just curled over our handle. What we're going to do, just bend these, yeah, like that, to a right angle. And then to drop bars. We're going into grab. So we're done over here. 25x6, that's been fishtailed. Just so it fits into this machine here. We're just going to plonk it in, just get here. Just rest that in there. And all that's going to do is turn it sort of like 90 degrees. So that then they become your latches. We just put a 10mm hole in them and they're your little gate latches. So we've got that. What also I'm doing today is, because it's like Father's Day next week, and we're going to do another giveaway. So I'm on with these. So I've got some 20x6 in here. And what we're going to make is some horse head. Key rings. So that's sort of like basic shape of your horse's head. What we're going to do, so there we've got that like that. Put that over there for now. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to put a bit of an eye in it. Stick his eye about there. So that's his eye. So just a little punch there. Give him a nostril. Give him a bit of a smiley face. So just a bit of a chisel edge there. What we're going to do is put a mane on him. Give him an ear. About there. About that angle. It's here, and hold it straight sharp. We're going to give him a bit of a mane with a bigger chisel, about 5mm gap. That's that. And then what we do, further down, small chisel, just going to mark that. That's where we're going to drift that apart. Whoa, steady. Just marking that. And then what we do, we punch that all out. Punch that all out there. Trying to do these as quick as you can, we've only got like 3-4 minutes. So that's very quick. And just see where that's gone dark. And we knock that out there. Basically, punch and drift it. Be a 16mm first, then I've got a bigger one, just to make that hole a bit bigger. That's that. Then we've cut these off. I'll stick it back in forge again. Show you it. Stick it back on there. So then it comes like that. What we've got, round that round there, we're ready to do it. Widen that up. And then what we've got to do, so that it actually opens your bottle, is open that up. Give that a bit of a pushing out. Straighten that up a bit. So we're going to be giving 6 of these away for next week on Wednesday. So we'll do a draw. If you like and share this page, and they do work because there we go, it's got to be blonde witch from more of the houses down the road. There's only one, well in fact that's our Ros, isn't it? She's a bit of a blonde witch, but yeah. So happy Father's Day, and oh, birthdays, we've got some birthdays. Rachel Davis, happy birthday. Rachel Hardy for Mother Week. Colin Bracewell. Karen Brunt for today, happy birthday. And that's it pretty much. So just like and share everything that we do down here at North Valley Forge. And I'll see you next Wednesday, Bob Swift, see you.